Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website you can claim your free Litecoin, but this website pay you unlimited claim and unlimited no timer Litecoin pay you instantly. First of all, copy your Litecoin wallet address. This website unlimited claim every day, every 0 minute, no timer, no limit. Okay, every 0 minutes pay you 40 satoshi. Put your Litecoin wallet address. First of all, solve this capture. It's a cat. Okay, just click cat available in the picture. After that, just click verify. Then solve this capture. Is a 7, 9, 10, and 3, and just click get reward. And you can see this website send you your satoshi. You can reload the page and you can solve the capture again, and this website pay you again. Okay, it's not too hard. All the time show you a cat, and sometimes this will be changed. It's not too hard. It's a tiger, lion, monkey, elephant, and just click get reward, and you can see this website send me again. I go to faucetpay, go to overview, come down. In here you can see this website send me 2 times my 40 satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website pay you unlimited time and no timer, and you can claim. This is the balance right now this website have. If the balance go to 0, this will be recharged maybe every hour. This will be recharged automatically. Okay, and this is one of the best website. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye now for now.